Hello everybody and welcome to my first episode of Modding with Samuel. Today we will be making a sword. So first, how you make the sword is you make a class in items and then you do plus class and then I wrote my sword. But you can do item sword and then your sword's name to get that. I wouldn't recommend doing my sword because I typed in an extra code so I could make it simpler, and you just copy it from the package. There's a package and then there's these big packages like these classes where you can copy and paste the sword code. And I'll just recite the code right now if you want to read it. Package space my mod dot items semicolon import cpw dot mods dot fml dot relauncher dot side semicolon. Enter public class my sword extends item sword and then this end thingy, and then private string texture pack space equals in the these, I'll type it in for you. These things that I just typed in right there, and then you put in my mod, and then public my sword, and then you put the parentheses down, and then int space item id comma space enum2 material space material comma space string space texture name, and then that end little thingy right there, super, and then these parentheses item id comma space material semicolon this dot set unlocalized name parentheses texture name semicolon. These semicolons are very important or else you'll get a lot of errors. This dot, oh, I already said it. Texture path space plus equals space texture name semicolon, and then this end mark right there, and then at override at side only parentheses side dot client enter public space void space register icons parentheses icon register space icon register, and then this little out sign right here, and then this dot item icon equals icon register dot register icon parentheses texture pack, and then a semicolon, and then the end marks, and then you save this, or on like a Dell keyboard you do the Microsoft Windows sign and then the S to save. And then in the main.java I wrote it a bit differently, so what it's gonna look like on your computer, I will just create like some new random package and I will show you the code you have to type. Let's delete all of this. And then what we will write is // items. It should look like something like this. And what you write is, since I'm doing a Greek mod, write the name of your sword. So I'm gonna write Thunder Sword equals parentheses space, oh, no space, new space item Thunder Sword, and then your sword name, of course, in there. Sword and then you erase this semicolon, and then you do this. And why I'm getting a bunch of errors is because it's not registered in for mine, but it should be registered in for yours. And then you type in like a big number right here. That's going to be your sword code, comma, enum to, yeah, enum, oh, oopsies. There's not supposed to. Enum tool material dot, and I'm just going to make my sword value iron. Oh, there's a parenthesis, sorry. Dot set unlocalized name and then you do the parentheses and then the semicolons and then thunder sword, and that will be the end of video 1. And next episode we will start using GIMP and making our sword textures. Okay, bye bye.